Let's be honest, our waste problem in India is out of control. Every day, millions of kilos of food and organic waste pile up, and there just aren't enough recycling or composting facilities to keep up. If you've ever wondered why garbage trucks are always packed or why landfills keep growing, here's the answer. We simply generate way more waste than what can be treated. Here's where things get interesting. There are only a handful, literally 3 or 4 manufacturers, who can actually build fully automatic composting machines at a massive scale. I'm talking 5,000 kilograms per day. Why does that matter? Because waiting for weeks to compost is a luxury we can't afford. We need express composting, machines that do the job in just 24 hours. Imagine this. A machine that reduces your kitchen and canteen waste volume by up to 90% right at the source. No more giant piles of garbage waiting for collection. No more trucks zigzagging through traffic, wasting fuel and time just to haul it away. The government spends more money transporting that mountain of waste than actually recycling it. With express composting, everything changes. Biodegradable waste gets treated right where it's created, and what's left is a tiny fraction of the original mess. That means less pollution, fewer overflowing bins, and a cleaner city, fast. But here's the catch. Not many companies can deliver these high-capacity, fully automatic machines at scale. That's why finding the right manufacturer is key if we want real impact. The clock is ticking, and every day wasted means more waste everywhere. If you believe we deserve smarter, cleaner solutions for our cities, it's time to push for technology like this. Because the waste crisis isn't waiting for anyone. Let's act now before it's too late.